Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, you see the green line here. Last 3 days, you had this bearish engulfing candle yesterday. You know, both sides made their move. The bears didn't look particularly well. What you don't want to see if you're the bears is you don't want to see higher lows. Now, look, if it ends up being some kind of a bear flag that breaks down or whatever, that's fine. But in the moment, it's the bears being the bears. Okay, you can't start making assumptions about what stuff is going to do or not do. What we're doing right now is we are battling over the 20-day, the daily midband. We are battling over the 9-day. We are battling over monthly pivot, hourly midband. You've got a whole bunch of stuff that is simply consolidated in like a 20 handle area, which makes for some really nice trading. There's another nice day. Last night we had a nice one. I mean, the tape wants to be traded. Even when, in reality, we're just consolidating here. So they took it up to the highs. They rejected back to 36.50. They settle it in around, 36.90 to 37.20 with your occasional outburst. That was a little election result outburst that they immediately retook. Took it down, 80, 20, 40 going on 50 handles. And then back up. So, I mean, you can see the violent moves, but they're in a wide range. You can get a lot done. But make no mistake about it, we're battling these inflection points and we're consolidating. So you see what's here. The pre-FOMC price, 20-day, monthly, hourly mid, 9-day up top, weekly pivot up top. So did the bears fulfill their task? No, they didn't. They spent 4 hours above the 9-day yesterday. They peaked above the weekly. They came back in. So, no, they didn't. They could have. They had every opportunity when we were down here, and they screwed it up because that's what they do. So, the balance of power here still tilts to the bulls. You've got a whole lot going on in Washington today. Exactly what it is and exactly what the impact on the tape is going to be, which is the only thing I care about, is unknown. What I do know is that I think it's going to cause some fits and starts in the tape today. So I expect there to be some pretty whippy pickpocket type moves in the tape. So watch your risk today. Take your profits where you find them today. If you end up playing around with runners, so, I mean, my goal in the room today, we've already got our day made, but my goal today is to get 2/3 out of the trade pretty efficiently and then let the runners just do what they're going to do. As long as we're in free ride, I don't mind trying to see if they're going to take it hard to the upside or they're going to take it hard to the downside, because the worst thing that's going to happen to my runners is to get stopped out even. What you don't want to be doing is hanging around with no stops. We use disaster stops. We use interim stops now, which are anywhere from 2 ticks to 6 ticks that have taken the vast majority of any risk out of the room that there has been over the last, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. So where in years past we would hang around and take a -5 here and there, we've reduced that now to where we're taking, paper cuts, if anything at all. And the other byproduct of the system is that it's reduced a lot of the reentries. So for my alumni out there, it's a brave new world, and it's going really good, really good. So what's going to happen today? We don't know, and because we don't know, watch your risk, watch your size, don't get greedy, take profits where you find them, use runners for free looks and free rides. And understand that the whole thing is one big consolidation. And, should we get some resolution in the next 1 to 3 sessions? Yeah. And then we'll find out what January really wants to do, which is typically the way Januaries go. The first week of January is typically it's a continuation of whatever the hell we've been doing in December. And then, basically choppy sloppy. And then as you get into the second, third, fourth weeks of January, then, it kind of reveals itself. So the fact that we haven't done some glorious pullback yet is not unusual. The fact that the bid is holding is not unusual. And the fact that we continue to kind of consolidate, which is what we did into the end of the year, that's not unusual either. But watch yourself today. watch yourself. You're into some things that we've never seen in our lives. So, and that always makes me nervous to put big positions on and trade futures. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.